Hey fam, so Lizzie and I are gonna go ride to the beach today and it's going to be really fun. I'm super psyched. It's gonna be a pretty long, hefty ride, but it's gorgeous out. It very well may be my longest ride. This is Lizzie and her new bike. Hey girl, hey. So we'll check in with you and let you know how things go. Love you, mean it. Beverly Hills, just made it through the strip. So proper nutrition, super important. I definitely didn't have enough before I left the house, so I'm stopping real quick to have some of my delicious scoop. This brand is pretty bomb, by the way. Homegirl is crushing it on her fixie. This is pretty insane. Like, who would have thought that taking Sunset to the beach was actually as hilly as it really is? So now you know. Also, there's no bike lane, but it's cool. It's cool. Did you get it out already?
I think I'm gonna get it out from the inside. It's really fucking stuck in there.
Check out that hunk of metal.
Was it this? Like a barb? Yeah. Oh, I should.
So we made it. We're at the base of Temescal Canyon right now. There it is. So we made it to the beach. Yay!
Finally.
After Lizzie got a flat though.
Yeah, but we're here.
We
I
are.
fixed it, so it's okay.
And that's exactly it. Empower yourself. Know how to fix your shit. So pretty. Sidecar.
Excited about these.
Look at that. And we are now in West Hollywood. Hey, hey. So we are over the 30-mile mark and we are now in West Hollywood. We came back a different way than we came. Can't wait to tell you all about it. All right, we did it.
All done.
50 miles.
Was your first one, right?
Yeah.
How'd it feel?
It was pretty awesome. We need to work on better nutrition next time, but it was killer. So, okay, gonna go eat.
I know, you're like,
Like delirious.